Today we're going to learn how to make old-fashioned raspberry jam, the no pectin method. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. And we all really need the old ways these days. This recipe does not call for pectin. The intense raspberry flavor of this jam makes it a personal and family favorite. This recipe yields about 4 cups, which is 1 liter for my metric friends. You can use any color raspberries for this recipe, black, red, or gold. My personal favorite is the black caps. Because it's a short processing time, you're going to want to go ahead and pre-sanitize your jars and lids. Gather your ingredients and measure them out separately, which is very important for this recipe. The first thing you're going to need is 4 cups of white granulated sugar. That's 1 liter for my metric loving friends. The trick to this recipe and the key is warming the sugar beforehand. It will keep the jam boiling evenly and ensure your success. So place your sugar in an oven-proof shallow pan and warm in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 Celsius degree oven for 15 minutes. Warm sugar dissolves better. Meanwhile, while your sugar is warming, place your 4 cups of berries, that's 1 liter of raspberries, in a stainless steel or enamel saucepan. Bring to a full boil over high heat. Mashing the raspberries with a potato masher as they heat. Boil hard for 1 minute, stirring constantly so they don't scald. Slowly add the warmed sugar and return the mixture to a boil. Boil this mixture until it will form a gel. This will take about 5 minutes of boiling to achieve. You can use a plate that has been chilled in the refrigerator to check for gel. Ladle your jam mixture into your pre-sanitized jars. Process for 5 minutes in a boiling water bath canner. When the time is up, take them out of your water bath canner and set them on a towel on your counter. After 24 hours, check for seal. This recipe is perfect to use in Linzer cookies, one of my personal holiday favorites. For everything sweet, check out my Jams and Jellies playlist. Check out the newest cookbook, Rebel Canners Recipe Files, available on Amazon. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.